Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine and doing good or bad in your own field. Welcome to StyleHUB. If you like my video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Today's video is very simple and quick hairstyle tutorial. This is so amazing. What you have to do, you have to take a small portion of your hair, divide it into 3 sections, put the first section underneath and second section at the above, then twist the hair. After that, take another portion from the front side and mix it with remaining third portion and twist. Repeat this process over and over again. This is so easy and quick hairstyle that girls can do while going to somewhere like market, shopping, or college, or somewhere else where they wanna go. At the end, put your hairpin onto your hair. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel, my video. Here is a complete look. Take care. Allah Hafiz.